Hello everyone, today I'm introducing the Slimline Rackless Rooftop Tent from 4Wheelhouse. A camping essential designed specifically for the GWM Tank 300. This tent is not only sleek, but also eliminates the need for traditional racks, reducing roof load and wind resistance, making your off-road journey easier and more efficient. The tent is made from premium waterproof materials, built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring stable protection in the outdoors. Inside the tent is spacious and comfortable, with multiple ventilation windows to ensure good airflow. There are also convenient storage pockets inside for small items. This tent also features a unique skylight entry,
Well, hey there.
allowing you the flexibility to access the vehicle interior directly from the tent, or use the exterior ladder for easier access. And for added romance, the skylights let you gaze at the stars with your loved one while enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Whether you're heading to the forest, desert or lakeside, the Slimline tent provides a safe and comfortable place to rest, letting you enjoy the natural world with peace of mind. Thank you for watching. The Slimline Rackless Rooftop Tent from 4Wheelhouse is the perfect choice for your next off-road adventure. Come on, let's go explore the world together.